In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set reminders in ClickUp. Reminders are a simple but powerful way to stay on top of important tasks, follow-ups and deadlines without needing to create a full task every time. If you just need a quick prompt at the right moment, ClickUp reminders can be a great option. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to create one from start to finish. To begin, open ClickUp and look to the upper right corner of the screen. There, you'll find the Create icon. Go ahead and click it to open the Create window. This is where you can quickly add different types of items. And it's the starting point for setting up your reminder. Once the Create window appears, click the Reminder tab. This tells ClickUp that you want to create a reminder specifically, rather than another type of item. Making sure you're in the correct tab will help the rest of the setup go smoothly. Next, enter the reminder name. Keep this short but clear, so when the notification appears later, you immediately know what it's for. A good reminder title should be specific enough to understand at a glance. After that, click Add Description if you want to include more details. This part is optional, but it can be very helpful when you need extra context. For example, you might want to add notes, instructions, or anything else that helps explain what needs to be done when the reminder comes up. Now it's time to set the date and time. Click Today, then choose exactly when you want the reminder to appear. This is an important step because it determines when ClickUp will prompt you. Try to choose a time that gives you enough notice to actually take action. Next, click for me to decide who the reminder is for. You can keep it assigned to yourself, which is useful for personal follow-ups, or assign it to someone else if needed. This makes reminders flexible for both individual and team use. Then, click Notify Me to choose when you want to be notified. This lets you control the timing of the alert, whether you want to be reminded right at the due time or a little earlier. Choosing the right notification setting can help you stay prepared instead of feeling rushed. Once everything looks good, click Create Reminder. Your reminder will now be saved and ClickUp will notify the selected person at the time you set. And that's it. You've successfully created a reminder in ClickUp. Thanks for watching.